By the end of this journey, you'll wield the power to cast hexes that chill to the bone. But tread carefully, for delving into the forbidden comes with a price. This evening, we will be exploring the intriguing topic of hexes, what they are, how they work, and how to cast them. Hexes have long captured the imagination of practitioners of the occult, representing a powerful form of magical intention aimed at influencing the world around us. Whether you're a seasoned witch seeking to expand your magical repertoire or simply curious about the intricacies of spellcasting, this video is for you. Join us as we unravel the secrets of hexes, exploring their history, types, and ethical considerations. We'll also provide practical tips and techniques for casting hexes responsibly and effectively, empowering you to wield the forces of magic with wisdom and intention. So grab your cauldron and broomstick and let's embark on a journey into the dark realm of hexcraft. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on all our magical adventures. Let's dive in. Hexes can vary widely in their nature and intended effects, depending on the traditions, beliefs, and practices of the practitioners. Here are some common types of hexes found in folk magic and occult traditions. Cursing hexes. These hexes aim to cause harm, misfortune, or suffering to the target, using spells, rituals, or charms designed to inflict physical, emotional, or spiritual pain. Binding hexes. Intended to restrict or limit the actions or abilities of the target, binding hexes may prevent harm or inhibit success or progress in a particular area of life. Revenge hexes. Cast in retaliation for perceived wrongs or injustices, these hexes seek retribution against those who have harmed the practitioner or someone they care about, often fueled by anger or resentment. Love hexes. Designed to influence romantic feelings or relationships, love hexes may attract a specific person, enhance passion, or create obstacles in the target's love life. Hexes for protection, shielding the practitioner or their loved ones from harm. Protective hexes create barriers, ward off negative energies, or invoke protective spirits or deities. Hexes for breaking curses. Used to counteract or neutralize the effects of curses or negative magic. These hexes may involve rituals, spells, or charms to remove hexes, break curses, or dispel malevolent energy. Hexes for justice. Cast with the intention of seeking justice or resolving conflicts, justice hexes may expose wrongdoing, bring truth and fairness, or compel those who have caused harm to take responsibility. It's important to approach the use of hexes with caution and ethical consideration, as intentions and actions have consequences. Not all practitioners engage in hexing, and many prioritize positive, constructive, and ethical forms of spellcasting. Deliberately casting a hex or any form of negative magic can have serious repercussions, both spiritually and ethically. Therefore, it's crucial to approach these topics with caution and respect for others. For informational purposes only, the process of casting a hex typically involves several steps. Clarify your intentions. Determine why you want to cast the hex and what outcome you wish to achieve. Have a clear understanding of your intentions before proceeding. Gather materials. Collect tools or ingredients you may need, such as candles, herbs, or symbolic items representing your target or intention. Create sacred space. Prepare your space for magical work by cleansing and purifying it, using techniques like smudging, casting a protective circle, or invoking elements and deities. Focus your energy. Center yourself and focus your energy on your intention, visualizing the desired outcome and channeling emotions into your magical work. Perform the ritual. Follow your chosen ritual or spellcasting method, enacting the hex through incantations, manipulating objects, or invoking spiritual forces. Release the energy. Once the hex is cast, release the energy to manifest your intention, visualizing it leaving your body or directing it toward the target. Ground and center. After casting the hex, ground and center yourself to restore balance and dissipate residual energy from the ritual. Remember, the decision to cast a hex should not be taken lightly, and practitioners should be prepared to accept responsibility for the consequences. Ensure your magical practices align with your personal beliefs and values. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the world of hexes. We hope you found this video informative and insightful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on all our magical adventures. Until next time, may your spells be powerful and your intentions be pure. And don't panic, because this is just a simulation.